Hello everyone, this is Farhan from farhanreviews.com, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing a new service or product, however you want to define it. It is a very cheap hosting where it's actually unlimited hosting for a one-time price, and there's a lot of OTOs that add a lot of value to this. And just for this product I've set up some incredible bonuses for you. So let me just quickly tell you about what I'm going to be giving you. So if you buy from this page, I'll set up the reviews. It will be the first box here. I'm going to give you a whole load of products. Now the first one is a training on WordPress performance tips. It's how to get the best out of WordPress. The second training I'm going to give you is a quick start WordPress setup guide. The third one is WordPress basic security for free. So it's mostly the plugins and the way I set up WordPress to keep it as secure as possible for free. And the fourth one is completely unique. It will be a full setup guide for this hosting package. So from adding your domain, setting up email and installing WordPress from scratch and so on. So I'll go through the whole training for you on how to quickly get started using this amazing product. So let me tell you a little bit about the product. So it's called LifeHost, and I'll just grab this image. Let me just quickly enlarge it. So the front end price for LifeHost will be $17 with a downsell of $14. You can host unlimited websites and domains. It's free end-to-end SSL, which is very important. Unlimited bandwidth. Your own personalized email account, so no more whatever at gmail.com. You get proper accounts for your domain so you look professional, and you get an amazing one-click WordPress installer. Now OTO 1 is $37 with a downsell of $27. This is definitely worth it because you get built-in malware protection. So WordPress is a very popular management system. It runs 30+% of the worldwide websites, but the issue is, because it's so big, there's a lot of bad people out there who try and hack your site, try and create dodgy plugins. So with malware protection, you get protected. You offer a high level of protection. Well, they're not having it. You also get automatic backups for your website. And I'm not sure what this is, unlimited everything for pro marketers. And you get a commercial license. OTO 2 is 97 with a downsell of 67. And this is also very important. If you've got a lot of websites, like I've got a lot of sites that I create that are starter sites, I've got them on various packages, they'll actually migrate them for you for this one-time price. You get a premium website builder. So if you want just landing pages, you don't want to go through the hassle of installing and maintaining WordPress. You can quickly make landing pages and websites with the builder that they provide. They're also going to give you 500 website templates with a live editor, which is full drag and drop. You can download the entire project in one click. And I'm not sure what this is. It's probably more drag and drop stuff. OTO 3 is very interesting. So it's a complete cloud drive. So right now you might be getting 15 gig with your Google Drive. But with this, they're going to give you unlimited storage for your files, documents, music, or so on and so on. You can use it for backups, drag and drop. You can actually share the links with expiry dates. You can't do that with Google Drive. You can do it with Dropbox. And also it's permission based and with password, plus you get unlimited bandwidth. OTO 4, 77 and 67 is they're going to give you done for you AdSense ready sites for your for you. Okay, you can launch viral traffic websites quickly, customize the sites, and yeah, you can profit from this one-time price by these done for you sites. OTO 4, this is the pricing here, 47 and down to 37. Unlimited link analyzer, unlimited malware scan, so it's Google Save, AVG, and virus total, 67 scans. That's a lot. Unlimited bulk URL shortener from Bitly and Rebrandly. Unlimited keyword analyzer. unlimited IP analysis, and unlimited social network analysis, website analyzer, and visitor analyzer. So there's a lot in this package. You can get that for just $37. The agency package is $197. So it's you get 197 clients that you can set up. So it'll be their own client accounts. And the reseller package is $97, so you get a reseller license for the entire funnel. So let me just close this. So let me quickly show you inside the hosting that you get. Now this is what it looks like. Now don't be alarmed, because normally you might be used to cPanel or a similar one. This is Linux-based hosting, and this is a very powerful server management tool. It can look intimidating. A lot of you may not have seen this before. I've used it a little in the past because I've had some VPS servers. But basically you can go inside, you can create your virtual server. So each website is considered a virtual server onside the hosting package that you've got. Excuse me. So you can go in, you can create your virtual server, add your domain, and so on. And there's a lot of features here that you can configure. But you can leave it as default, and that'll be the easiest way to get going. You can edit your virtual servers. So this is all the features here. You can edit individual users, including email users. You can edit databases. You can install additional scripts. So this is where the WordPress comes in. So you see you've got Roundcube for email, and you've got WordPress obviously for the content management. So it's very easy, one click to install. You've got a powerful file manager. There are some control panels that don't give you a file manager, so Webmin is really good. You get complete access to all of the files on the server. You've got various administration options. Okay, and then you've got the backup section where you can set up your backup locations. So features, destination. So for me, I would opt for Amazon S3. So Amazon S3 is, I have the pricing here, just this one. So Amazon S3 is fairly cheap, and it's very reliable. It's a bit fiddly to set up, but I'll show you that in my bonus video. But you add your details, you put it into these boxes here, and then you can auto back up your whole VPS, or you can set up individual accounts. And that's about it for the control panel. So this is a very, very accessible control panel. It's easy to use. It's pretty much set and forget. You don't really ever need to go back into it. Then once you've set up your domains, you can just log into domain.com, whatever it is, and just use WordPress as normal. And you can opt to set up email for each domain as well. From there, for that you will need to install scripts. But I'll show you that in my bonus video. But overall, I had a little play with the server. It seems to be very responsive, very fast. They've reduced some of the features in Virtual.min to make it easier to use, so you don't have to configure too much. You can just basically get in there and start adding your sites. And overall, the offer is... Where's my picture gone? The offer is very good. So even just for the front end... Okay, why is it not working? Okay, let me just pause the video 1 second. I'm not sure what the issue was there anyway. So even for the front end, so just $14, you can get unlimited lifetime hosting. And this is like having a VPS, so it's high power VPS. And the Virtual.min and Webmin panel is lower resource intensive than something like cPanel. So it's ideal to keep your site humming along nicely. And the OTOs, OTO 1 is a definite must. OTO 2 is also interesting if you want to bring in your own sites and some more. The cloud drive, so if you've got a lot of backups, you can use the cloud drive. Oops, and the done for you. Okay, so I'm not sure why that wasn't working, but it's working now. Okay, so the front end for just $14, you can pick up unlimited hosting for unlimited websites and domains. And with all these features here, let me make it bigger. Okay, and that's just $14. It's lifetime. OTO 1 for me is a definite must because you get the backup features and you get the inbuilt malware protection. OTO 2 is you can migrate your websites. So I've been through this already. I don't know if I'm going through it again. But anyway, the first four, obviously with the front end and these 3 OTOs, they're all definitely worth it because they are quite essential for you to get the most out of this package, and the one-time pricing is incredible because you can pay more than that in just a month or two with normal hosting. And from what I've tested so far, it's really, really good to use and easy to set up. So I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget, my OTOs are only available via the link below and from my website, and they'll be delivered straight away, and they're just a bonus for you as a thank you for buying my links. So I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.